This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone or your Android device. So this is very easy. Now depending on how you do it, it's going to be a little bit different on each device. So on my iPad or my iPhone it's very easy. So let's just go to settings right here. Just locate settings. Tap this, go to Bluetooth. And then under Bluetooth you can see devices is spinning. That means it's searching for a Bluetooth device to connect to. Now most of the time all you have to do is open up the iPhone or the AirPod case just like this, and it should show up on your Apple product just like that, and you can hit connect. So it's a little bit different now on your Samsung or your Android device because you have to hold down the sync button on the back. So we can just go to the top right. We can go to Bluetooth under one of these buttons. I'm just going to go to settings. And then I can go to where it says connections, where it says Bluetooth. Tap Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Now on my Samsung phone you can see it's spinning. Watch for scan on the top. So open up the case now, turn around, and there's a button on the back. Just hold this down for 3 seconds. So let's hold this down now. 1, 2, 3. And this is placing the AirPods in the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see it right there. And then hit scan, and it should show up under your Android device. So if it doesn't, we can just repeat the process. So here it is. We can just tap it. It says pairing, and we can hit pair, and it'll be connected now to my device. So on your iPhone or your iPad, pretty much all you have to do is open up your case, and it should connect. There should be an option for it. If it still doesn't, just hold down the syncing button on the back, and then it'll put the iPad or the AirPods into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So just check that out. It's very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.